Hey guys, I want to show you how to fix if Google My Activity is not loading. If Google My Activity is not loading, here are some fixes you can try. So first, go to settings and open settings, and on the left side, select network and internet. Then from here, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening other websites to confirm your connection is working. Next, go back to Chrome and refresh the page. So close the Google My Activity page and reopen it. You can also pull down to refresh if you're using the mobile app or browser. Next, another thing you can do is to sign out and sign back in. So log out of your Google account, so click your profile in the top right, then just click sign out, and once done, sign back in and try accessing My Activity again. Another thing you can do is to clear browser cache and cookies. So corrupted cache files can prevent pages from loading properly. So open your browser settings. So click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and go to settings. On the left side, select privacy and security, then select delete browsing data. Then choose the time frame. You can choose all time. Then below that, make sure you select cookies and other site data or cache images and files. Then click delete data. So once done, you can restart the browser and see if that works. Next, you can also try to update your browser or app. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down to the bottom and go to help, then go to about Google Chrome. So make sure your browser and Google apps are updated to the latest version. And that's basically it. If none of these solutions work, try accessing Google My Activity from another device to determine whether the issue is with your account or the device you're using. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.